Ever wondered how AI can make your life easier and more exciting? From planning your dream vacation to enhancing creativity and even boosting your mental well-being, ChatGPT is here to help. Stick around to discover amazing ways you can use ChatGPT in your everyday life. What exactly is ChatGPT? Well, it's an AI language model developed by OpenAI, designed to understand and generate human-like text based on the input it receives. ChatGPT is powered by advanced machine learning algorithms, enabling it to assist with a wide range of tasks. From answering questions to generating creative content, ChatGPT can do it all. But the best part? You don't need to be a tech wizard to use it. Whether you're a student, a professional, or just someone looking for a bit of help with daily tasks, ChatGPT is here for you. Let's see it in action. I'll ask ChatGPT to explain the benefits of using it and watch how quickly it responds. As you can see, ChatGPT provides a detailed answer in just seconds. It's like having a knowledgeable friend available anytime you need. Throughout this video, we're going to explore various ways you can use ChatGPT to simplify your life. From helping with homework to cooking, travel planning, and more, ChatGPT is your versatile assistant. So, whether you're looking to boost your productivity, learn something new, or just make daily tasks a bit easier, stay tuned. Let's dive into the amazing world of ChatGPT and discover its incredible use cases. First, let's talk about how ChatGPT can help with something many of us struggle with: homework. Whether you're tackling tricky math problems, writing an essay, or trying to understand a complex concept, ChatGPT is here to help. Let's start with a common challenge: math problems. Suppose I'm stuck on an algebra problem and need some guidance. I'll type, "Can you help me solve this algebra problem? 2x plus 3 is equal to 11. Look at that. ChatGPT breaks down the solution step by step, making it easy to follow and understand. Next, let's see how ChatGPT can assist with essay writing. Imagine I need to write an essay about the importance of environmental conservation. Wow! ChatGPT provides a compelling introduction that sets the stage for the rest of the essay. But what if I need help understanding a complex concept, like photosynthesis? I'll type, "Can you explain the process of photosynthesis?" ChatGPT breaks down the process in a simple and easy-to-understand manner, complete with the chemical equation. With ChatGPT, you have a tutor available 24/7 to help you with any subject. Whether it's solving math problems, writing essays, or understanding scientific concepts, ChatGPT is your go-to resource. Now that we've seen how ChatGPT can be a fantastic homework helper, let's explore another useful feature: getting creative in the kitchen with recipes. Stay tuned. Next, let's dive into the culinary world and see how ChatGPT can help you get creative in the kitchen. Whether you're an experienced cook or a beginner, ChatGPT can provide you with delicious recipes based on the ingredients you have at home. Let's say I've had a long day, and I'm looking for a quick and easy dinner idea. I have some chicken, broccoli, and rice in my fridge. Let's see what ChatGPT suggests. I'll type, "Can you suggest a recipe using chicken, broccoli, and rice?" Wow, that sounds delicious and straightforward. ChatGPT provided a complete recipe with clear instructions. This is fantastic. With ChatGPT, you can easily find new recipes and make the most of the ingredients you have at home. Whether you're cooking for yourself, your family, or friends, ChatGPT can inspire you with a wide variety of recipes tailored to your needs and preferences. Now that we've whipped up a delicious meal, let's see how ChatGPT can help with another exciting use case: planning your next travel adventure. Stay tuned. Now, let's talk about how ChatGPT can make travel planning a breeze. Whether you're planning a weekend getaway or a long vacation, ChatGPT can help you find the best destinations, book flights, and even suggest activities to do once you arrive. Let's start by finding a travel destination. I'm thinking about taking a trip next month, but not sure where to go. Let's see what ChatGPT recommends. I'll type, "Can you suggest a travel destination for next month?" ChatGPT suggests several amazing destinations: Kyoto for cherry blossom viewing, Santorini for stunning beaches. These all sound fantastic. Let's explore Santorini a bit more. I'll type, "Tell me more about visiting Santorini." ChatGPT provides detailed information about Santorini, including popular activities and local delicacies. This sounds perfect for a relaxing yet adventurous trip. Next, let's find some flights. I'll type, "Help me find flights to Santorini from Mumbai." ChatGPT offers several flight options for connecting flights, so I can choose the one that best fits my schedule and budget. Now, let's find out what activities to do once I get there. I'll type, "Suggest activities to do in Santorini." ChatGPT suggests a variety of activities, from watching the famous sunset in Oge to exploring ancient ruins, taking a boat tour, relaxing on unique beaches, and visiting a wine museum. Whether you're planning a solo adventure, a family vacation, or a romantic getaway, ChatGPT can help you every step of the way, making travel planning stress-free and fun. Now that my trip is all planned out, let's move on to another amazing feature of ChatGPT, creative writing and brainstorming. Stay tuned. We'll explore how ChatGPT can be a valuable tool for creative writing and brainstorming. Whether you're a writer looking for inspiration, a student crafting a story, or someone exploring their creative side, ChatGPT can help spark ideas and develop compelling narratives. Let's begin by brainstorming ideas for a short story. I'll show you how ChatGPT can provide prompts and suggestions to kickstart your imagination. I'll type, "Can you help me brainstorm ideas for a short story?" ChatGPT provides intriguing prompts that can inspire different story concepts. Each idea has its own unique elements to explore. Now, let's delve deeper into one of these ideas. I'm drawn to the concept of the last starship. I'll type, "Can you help me develop characters for the last starship?" ChatGPT suggests compelling characters that could drive the narrative forward, each with their own motivations and quirks. Now, let's outline the plot. I'll ask ChatGPT to help me outline the main plot points for our starship story. I'll type, "Can you outline the main plot points for the last starship?" ChatGPT provides a structured outline that helps me visualize the story arc, from introduction to resolution. With ChatGPT's help, I've developed a solid foundation for my starship story. It's incredible how ChatGPT can assist in crafting intricate plots and fleshing out characters. Whether you're writing fiction, poetry, or even nonfiction, ChatGPT can serve as a versatile writing assistant, providing inspiration, feedback, and guidance. Lastly, we explore how ChatGPT can provide valuable support for mental health and well-being. In today's fast-paced world, taking care of our mental health is more important than ever, and ChatGPT can offer guidance and resources to help manage stress, anxiety, and emotional challenges. Let's begin by discussing how ChatGPT can assist in managing stress and promoting relaxation techniques. I'll type, "Can you suggest relaxation techniques for managing stress?" ChatGPT provides various relaxation techniques that can help alleviate stress and promote a sense of calm. Practicing these techniques regularly can make a significant difference in managing daily stressors. Whether you're dealing with work-related stress, academic pressures, or simply need a moment to unwind, ChatGPT offers accessible tools to support your well-being. Next, let's discuss how ChatGPT can provide emotional support and coping strategies during challenging times. I'll type, "Can you provide tips for coping with anxiety?" ChatGPT offers practical tips that can help individuals cope with anxiety and take proactive steps towards better mental health. By integrating these practices into your daily routine, you can enhance your mental well-being and build resilience against life's challenges. Whether you're exploring relaxation techniques, coping strategies, or seeking information on mental health awareness, ChatGPT can be a valuable companion on your journey towards well-being. As we wrap up, I hope you found inspiration in how ChatGPT can enhance your daily routines and adventures. Whether it's planning a trip, learning something new, or taking care of your mental well-being, ChatGPT is your versatile companion. Remember to prioritize self-care and exploration. Thanks for watching, and until next time, embrace the possibilities with ChatGPT. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more amazing content.